Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rebels real back in the old days. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it
Greetings,
made.
YouTube. Elaine and Respect at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Today is November the 28th, 2020, YouTube. And today's also day 42 of our germinating avocado tree seeds in soil germination experiment, YouTube. We brought you guys a first time really close-up look at our avocado tree seeds about 6 days ago during our one of our videos where we were harvesting a handful of yellow wax beans from our high tunnel greenhouse, YouTube. But a lot has changed, YouTube. A lot has changed in the past 6 days since we brought you guys that video, YouTube. I'm going to spin this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what is going on with our 3 Haas avocado tree seeds that we've been germinating for the past 42 days here, YouTube, in a sandy mixture of beach sand and potting soil. Hang tight. Alright, YouTube, we're back. What we're going to do here, YouTube, is give you guys a look at our 3 avocado tree seeds in the order of which germinated first and which germinated last. We're going to show you the differences in sizes and growth between our 3 avocado tree seedlings here, YouTube. But this is what's going on, YouTube, with our first avocado tree seedling. It germinated roughly 2 weeks ago now, YouTube. It's been growing for has germinated about 2 weeks ago for us here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel. And this is how much growth, YouTube. This is how much growth our first avocado tree seedling has put on in approximately the past 2 weeks here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! As you guys recall, YouTube, we planted our 3 avocado tree seeds in 1-gallon containers, YouTube. Obviously, this is the first one that germinated. Again, it germinated for us about 2 weeks ago, YouTube. But as you can see, it has put on roughly 7, maybe 8 inches of growth here in the past 2 weeks inside of our high tunnel greenhouse, YouTube. Those are our first one to germinate. Again, these are Haas avocado tree seeds, seedlings. This is our second to germinate avocado tree seed here, YouTube. As you can see, that embryo is just beginning to peek up out of the seed there, YouTube. This one germinated around the time of our last video update on when we were harvesting those yellow wax beans, YouTube. It was just cracking open then and beginning to sprout out then. But again, it's maybe 1/4 of an inch high at this point, YouTube. That was our second to germinate Haas avocado tree seeds. As you guys can see, YouTube, again, we planted these seeds in a very, very, very sandy mixture of potting soil and beach sand, YouTube. This is a very, very well draining potting soil. We didn't water these seeds very much at all during the germination process. Only when the top maybe 2 inches of the soil became a little dry did we water these seeds. And even then, when we watered these seeds, we didn't water them very much. We only gave these pots enough water just to keep the top few inches of soil moist, YouTube. This is our third to germinate Haas avocado tree seed, YouTube. And you guys are gonna see here that embryo is just barely peeking out there, YouTube. You guys see that little thing down in there? Just barely beginning to peek out down there from the seed there, YouTube. Today is again about day 42 of our germinating Haas avocado tree seeds in soil germination experiment, YouTube. And again, this is the difference in our 3 Haas avocado tree seedlings at, again, day 42, YouTube. If you know anything about germinating avocado tree seeds, you know that they can indeed be slow to germinate, YouTube, but once they germinate, they grow at a geometric rate. And we're looking forward to seeing how well our 3 avocado tree seeds grow for us here inside of our high tonal greenhouse during the coming colder weather here. We have some cold weather approaching, some weather down in the temperatures down in the 30s here this coming week, YouTube. And again, we do have an alternative source of heat for our greenhouse if we get down to the point where the temperatures falls below an acceptable temperature inside of our greenhouse. We do have an alternative method of heating our greenhouse. We are prepared for that if it comes down to that, YouTube. At any rate, YouTube, germinating Hass avocado tree seeds in soil, day 42. And we're super excited, YouTube, about the rate at which our avocado tree seedlings are currently growing for us. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on germinating Hass avocado tree seeds in soil, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Germinating Hass avocado tree seeds in soil. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rap was real back in the old days. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rap was real back in the old days. Do you remember this? We call it old school. I'm talking about when rap was real, there was no auto-tunes. You had to really sing. You had to really rap in order to get them up out the seats and make their hands clap. But now it's auto-tunes on everybody's voice you hear. No message mumble rapping, they ain't even speaking clear. But I won't ever change, I keep it old school. They let me in the game and now I make my own rules. Yeah. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rap was real back in the old days. This one's for real rappers, artists like Tupac. He made the whole world feel it before he got shot. This one's for real rappers, artists like Biggie Smalls. He reached the world with his music and he touched us all. This one for real rappers, artists like Eazy-E. I miss you, homie, and I know you smiling out at me. This one for real singers, artists like Marvin Gaye. Didn't need no auto-tune to singers, let the music play. Know that I got it made. Know that I got it made. Know that I got it made.